Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 6 Best Panasonic Camcorder 4K in 2023.
Top 1.
Panasonic X1500 4K Professional Camcorder with 24x optical zoom, Wi-Fi HD live streaming, HCX1500, USA Black. Pro features manual rings, ND filters, and 24-bit high-resolution linear PCM audio recording, 2 10-bit internal recording, double SD card slots. Wi-Fi live streaming, HD live streaming supported by built-in Wi-Fi. 4K recording, 4K 60p recording in a small and light body with a heat-dispersing design. Leica dichromer lens, wide-angle 25mm 24x optical zoom with 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilization, and high-speed and focusing. Display, LVF the 3.5-inch monitor, 2,760K dots, with electrostatic touch panel, plus up/down tiltable viewfinder, 1,555K dot. Simultaneous LCD output is available.
Top 2.
Panasonic AGU-X90 4K HD Professional Camcorder, PAL, AGU-X90, Base Bundle. Panasonic AGU-X90 4K/HD Professional Camcorder AGU-X90 PJ, PAL, Carrying Case Deluxe Cleaning Kit, plus more. 1.0 Type-C MOS sensor, 4K 24p, UHD 60p 50p 30p 25p 24p. FHD slow motion recording at 120 fps, UHD/FHD dual codec recording. 16-axis color correction function, 8.8 to 176mm 20x optical zoom with OIS. 3x manual lens control rings, IR night shooting. The Panasonic AGU-X90 4K/HD Professional Camcorder, PAL, records UHD 4K at up to 30p, and FHD up to 60p in variable frame mode. The camera supports 59.94, which is analogous to NTSC, making the camera compatible with US broadcast standards. It features an integrated 15x optical.
Top 3.
Panasonic HCX 1080p 4K Ultra High Definition Camcorder. This version is originally intended for sale outside the USA. Leica dichromer 20x optical zoom lens switchable between NTSC and PAL. Individual focus, zoom and iris lens rings, power O.I.S, and hybrid OIS. 0.45 EVF, 3.5 LCD touchscreen records MP4, MOV, up to SDXC cards. Simultaneous/relay/background recording, Wi-Fi/NFC connectivity. The Panasonic HCX1000 4K DCI/Ultra HD/Full HD camcorder can help ease your transition, or allow you to jump right into 4K. The camera shoots and records cinema 4K at a true 24p, and UHD at broadcast compatible frame rates, so it fits smoothly into your existing broadcast workflow. The HCX1000 features a 1/2.3 MOS sensor that is always shooting at 4K resolution, and uses its two built-in Venus processing engines to scale the 4K image for full HD delivery. System frequency.
Top 4.
Panasonic AGCX350 4K Camcorder. 1 MOS sensor. 20x optical, 32x intelligent zoom. UHD 4K, 1080p, variable frame rate. TC in/out, 3G SDI, HDMI out. Easy IP connection pre-installed DHX authorized US Panasonic dealer/seller with full US warranty.
Top 5.
Panasonic HCX1 4K Ultra HD Professional Camcorder, black. Advanced Optical Image Stabilizer, 4K/UHD/FHD, and 5-axis hybrid OIS, FHD. Supports 4K, UHD, FHD, 60p, 50p, 25p, 24p. High performance Leica Dicomer 4K lens 24mm f2.8 f4.5 with optical 20x zoom, 24 480mm. 2-channel XLR, audio, wired/wireless remote control, triple manual rings, user switch, time code, ND filter, live HDMI output. Simultaneous 4K UHD/FHD dual codec recording to 2 SD cards. Focal length 8.8 176mm, filter diameter 67mm, system frequency 59.94 Hz, 50.00 Hz. The light, compact Panasonic HCX1 4K Ultra HD Professional Camcorder has the features, functions, and controls to meet and exceed professional video production needs. It supports 4K 24p, UHD 60p/50p.
Top 6.
Panasonic AGCX350 4K Camcorder, AGCX350, W/padded case, 128 GB memory card, lens attachments, wire straps, LED light, and more. 1x Panasonic AGCX350 4K Camcorder, 1x 128 GB SFUI 3 Series UHSI-SDXC memory card, 1x large padded carrying case, 1x professional LED 160 video light, 1x 67mm telephoto HD lens, 1x 67mm wide angle lens with pouch and lens caps, 1x 67mm close-up filter set, 1x 67mm UV filter, 1x 6x6-inch Velcro straps, assorted colors, 1x deluxe cleaning kit, 1x SD card USB reader, 1x memory card wallet, 1 MOS sensor, 20x optical, 32x intelligent zoom. UHD 4K, 1080p, variable frame rate, 2x media card slot, HLG recording 3.2 LCD screen, OLED viewfinder, individual zoom, focus, iris rings, front mounted mic with front audio.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.